Oh, Drew Boy, as they're playing down the left-hand wall, it gives you a really good look at the way this sidewall's being butchered. And that's been butchered, chopped in the front of the court. Starting to push up a little bit more now, Coll.
3-4.
This is one of my, as a player, as an ex-player, this was certainly one of my favourite events here at Canary Wharf. It's a perfect setting for a squash court. There's the dive, and that was the explosive cross-court from Rösner. Ridiculous dive, it was like a fast forward. Clever change of pace from Rösner. That kicked off the front wall quickly. Another factor here, which is a major factor, I talk about it a lot, squash at this level, is the weight difference.
Well, that is a great shot.
Well, Rösner looks back at Coll to say, how dare you?
Hand out. 10-8. Game.
I reckon he would be the heaviest. They're sort of super heavyweights, those guys.
Retrievals coming back from Rösner. This is a hard rally.
Well, Rösner's got stuck clearing that ball. He knew it was going to be a stroke.
11-8, game to Coll. Coll leads. One game to love.
Coll goes off the court like purple mist. He was off to the ferry there on the Thames.
4-3.
Coll, a one-way ticket. Clever.
Well, it's a great shot from Rösner. Just feel it's a bit one pace from Coll, and it's allowing Rösner just to tee off and set himself to attack those balls. He's gone for a huge Superman dive.
Yeah, well, it's a really good hold. Set it up slightly for Rösner, but it's a good change of direction. Rösner does this well on either side. There it is. See it from the sky view. Goodness me, he takes off.
It's again, though, it's that hold and flick from Rösner, so effective.
I think John Mazzarello's worked a few too many hours since Chicago.
Well, neither player getting a length here, Joey.
Well, Rösner just wanted to make double sure that that had not come back from Coll. Coll leaving his mark.
Wow. Oh, LBW.
It was Rösner walloped it, got the slightly fortunate corner, but what a hard rally. Did well to recover through this shot, Rösner, but oh, that was that would have bugged many a player.
Well, again, the ball just out the reach of Coll. Rösner needed this point.
Yeah, mid-court, he did well to get his hip round Rösner. He was
Strong boy though, isn't he?
working very, very hard to get that right leg and then to control the racket head. I mean, that's real skill.
You are allowed the court attendant, you know.
So game ball for Coll. Still he can't read that backhand of Rösner. And Rösner making an unforced error, storming off court. Crucial third game. John Mazzarella seems to be eating his microphone.
I think Coll needs to forget about the short ball for a little while. He needs to
Try and
start
find his foundation.
Yeah, he needs to start punching the ball into the back corners, drag Rösner or pin him into the back, and then use those front shots. The quality isn't good enough.
Enough air time. Rösner trying to get revanche. It's a brilliant shot from the German. Brilliant shot. Holding his swing, taking it in, stopping the movement of Coll. Quite deep back in the court, Coll. So game ball for the battling Simon Rösner to take this into a fifth and final.
There you
Got
go.
it. So Simon Rösner shows his quality. Two very positive rallies to close out that fourth game.
Incredible resolve from these two gladiators.
That's a great shot. Rösner didn't even move for it. And there's the, you said a fist pump, but it's like a fist pump and a head whack. Looks like he's doing, getting ready for a rugby training session.
Well, Rösner is pulling out the big rallies here in this fifth game. Somehow he's got himself level.
I mean, that was, he took a bit of a breath through that shot, Simon Rösner, because he wanted to get that rally done and dusted.
It's worked well from the ball down the middle. Well, he's played through the interference. That's the problem for Rösner here.
Yeah, he's in trouble here, Rösner. Massive trouble.
Oh, we've gone straight
John
for a video
Mazzarella's
referee decision.
Bottled it. Mazzarella, we've gone to Ralph Arenberg. Oh, goodness me. Well, you felt he played through that. You talk through this one, Drew Boy, because I'm getting highly fatigued.
Well, I think the problem is him playing through there sort of shows that the ball's gone away from him a bit. I think this is going to be a no-let. This is a huge call. Tense moment here in Canary Wharf. I mean, it's always such a shame to finish like that, but confirmation,
Well, that's
Joey.
got to be the biggest cheer for a no-let ever, but it can't detract from the quality. Coll looks up to the heavens here at the East Winter Garden. Alan Thatcher needs to give him a little bit of time. What an unbelievable battle between Simon Rösner and Coll. Coll just needs to get a bit of, just short of the 2-hour mark, 117 minutes. And it was just ding-dong all the way.